What's up, y'all? I'm back at it today, another day. I finished the front yesterday. Now I'm on the rear. Now we're working on the rears, getting the rear coilovers done on the f10. So I already got the car jacked up, as you see. Tires off the lip, jacked up. I'm gonna start at the bottom, then we'll go up top. So I've been watching videos, and you're gonna have to remove this wishbone right here. Oh, on that. So I'm watching videos, and you're gonna have to remove this wishbone right here. Those two bolts. One bolt right here, which I already start taking off, and another bolt right here, which I already start taking off. Just gonna have to move the wishbone out the way, and then you'll have access to this, because there's not gonna be no way you can just take this bolt off. You can maybe, but it's gonna be hard. You have to have some type of crazy extension. But it's better, like I said, take this wishbone off. It's the whole source of the problem, this wishbone. Take this off. You have better access to this bolt right here. And then we'll go up top. Then there's 3 bolts up top where the speaker is. So right now, we're gonna take off these 2 bolts right here. Let's get it. Finish taking that off. Alright, so I got the rear wishbone thing off. Now, I have access to the screw, like I said. Trust me, it's not that easy. You got to get like a brick, remove it. What I do want to do though, I do know that this don't come down. So, I'm going to get a jack to support it. Come down, then I support it. So make sure to support it, then take it out. But I also don't want to strip that bolt, because I had that happen on my E60. I did that, strip the bolt. Cool. Now that's out. That's out. 3 bolts up top. There's 3 bolts up top under the speaker. So now I gotta go up under the speaker and get to those bolts. So let's get it. As you see, man, use WD-40 on these, because this is not about to come off. It was like stuck on there. So I just jumped to the other side. We're taking off the other wishbone. That way I could just loosen both bolts and then go up top, drop both struts, and then put both in, Like I ain't gotta be working on one side, this side ain't working, this side ain't coming off and all that. There we go. That's off. Take a flathead. Start moving all this shit. Yeah. Go to the top. And yeah, all that's left after I take this off is go to the top. So the adjustment should be easy, so yeah, I can put this phone back in. I'll put the shock. As you see, wishbone's off, that bolt's off. Now we can go up top inside the car and get it cracking on both sides. So you come inside the car, then you're gonna move that out the way, and then you're gonna have access to the bolts. That's what I did on this side already. You move that out the way, you pull it back. All right, so the wishbone's removed on both sides, bam. Other side, bam. And the bolts are loosened up for the shocks on both sides. Bam. Bam. Now I gotta go in the back where the speaker panel is. And you're gonna see the bolts. So under here. Bam. 1, 2, 3. Then you drop those 3 bolts and voila. So let's get it. And then we'll start on both sides, getting it cracking, man. Let's get it, y'all. So I went down there, I got both bolts out. All the bolts out. I got one more bolt. I got one more bolt. Alright, well I got all of them off. Now, it's just that, so get that off like that. And voila. Here go the new ones. I have to measure how much lower I'm gonna have to go. Yeah, we'll start this ride height process. Old ones next to the new ones. When I do 2, when I set up suspensions, I put all the old shocks in the back, and I put that way I have weight on it. So I know what we're doing. So now I'm gonna go get the other coilovers, and then yeah, I'm gonna get the measuring tape, we'll measure up and start getting it cracking. Now to get the shock in, It's kind of tricky because you still gotta fit it in. That side ready to go, bam. And the other side ready to go. Bam. Like I said, just go up top and side. 3 screws on each side. You in the game. So I got the tops on. Now I'm gonna bolt everything down, tighten that up, and then we're gonna go back down to the bottom. Put back the wishbones, put back all the stuff. Just adjust the height. Should be easy. Should have no problem. So yeah, man, let's get it. My bad, y'all. It done got dark on your boy. So everything's back in. Coilovers in, as you can see, or I don't know if you can see. Coilovers in, bolted in. Got that in right there. I got the wishbone back bolted on. That's bolted in on that side. That's bolted in on that side. And then the same thing for the other side. Wishbone right there, bolted on that side. Bolted in down there. And the shock and strut is on there. And then, the rings on the coilovers are tight. Seated, ready to go. And same thing for the other side. All the lines, everything ran back, so everything's back like it's supposed to be. I got the bolts up there with the speaker. Those are tight, so everything's tight, everything's good. Now it's time to put the wheels back on and drop this thing, man. Oh yeah. So you see, man, the magnets, hey, it works. It worked. Car came out clean. Of course, I got a little imperfections that I gotta fix. Like, I'm gonna get the roof painted. I'm gonna get the hood painted. I got a new bumper already, and I got a new rear bumper. So pretty much everything that's all messed up is gonna be painted. So the car is gonna be looking flawless soon. But yeah, I got a little imperfections. But with the imperfections, the car wash still came out good. Worked good. Car's shining. I'm happy with the product.